Some people grow up and leave dragons behind. Others simply find better ways to keep them around. Here are 15 magical dragon finds for anyone who still loves a little fantasy in everyday life. Quick note before we begin. Some links in this video are affiliate links. If you make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's best finds. We'll start with dragon decor, artwork, and collectibles that can bring a little fantasy to shelves, walls, desks, and favorite spaces around the home. This dragon statue is carved from genuine jade stone, giving each piece its own natural color and character. Its compact size makes it easy to display on a desk, bookshelf, nightstand, or as part of a larger dragon collection. These dragon figurines bring plenty of color and drama with sweeping wings, jewel-toned finishes, and sparkling details. They would make an eye-catching pair on a shelf, mantle, or fantasy display. This traditional dragon dance costume takes dragon enthusiasm to an entirely different level. At about 10 meters long, it can make a huge impact at festivals, performances, celebrations, or special events. This blue dragon clock puzzle gives you something fun to build before you ever display it. Once completed, it becomes an elaborate dragon clock that combines a creative project with fantasy decor. For anyone who likes carrying a little fantasy with them, this dragon watch turns an everyday accessory into something much more interesting. The detailed dragon artwork, gold tone case, and leather strap give it plenty of personality without feeling like ordinary jewelry. Mechanical details give this steampunk dragon a completely different personality from traditional fantasy figurines. Metallic finishes, gears, and intricate accents make it a strong focal point for a desk, shelf, or collector display. Sparkling crystal-like texture makes this purple dragon geode figurine especially eye-catching. The jewel tones and dramatic little dragons create a display piece that becomes even prettier when the light catches it. A home bar gets a serious dose of fantasy with this dragon whiskey decanter. The detailed silver and gold dragon wraps around the glass, while the dramatic stopper makes the entire bottle feel like part of the decor. Glowing from within, this fire dragon resin lamp looks almost like a miniature fantasy world captured in resin. The illuminated dragon and fiery landscape would add dramatic atmosphere to a desk, game room, shelf, or bedside table. Wall space becomes part of the dragon collection with this colorful metal artwork. Its layered fantasy design creates an unexpected statement piece for an office, library, bedroom, or other dragon-inspired space. Next, we're heading outdoors and into some of the more playful and creative dragon finds, including garden decor and a way to start making dragons of your own. Tucked among colorful flowers, these two solar dragons bring a softer, more whimsical side of fantasy into the garden. Built-in LED lights create a gentle glow after dark for a patio, porch, walkway, or flower bed. Nothing about this large metal dragon statue is subtle. Oversized wings and an iridescent blue, green, and purple finish make it the kind of outdoor statement piece that can transform an ordinary garden into something much more magical. Perched directly against a tree, this dragon tree hugger looks like a tiny guardian has moved into the yard. The hanging lantern adds even more charm along a garden path, beside a patio, or near an outdoor seating area. For the dragon lover who wants to start creating instead of just collecting, this multicolor 3D printer opens up all kinds of possibilities. Dragon models, articulated creations, fantasy accessories, and custom projects can all become part of the collection. Bright colors and textured scales make these articulated dragon eggs especially fun little collectibles. They're easy to display, fun to handle, and a whole colorful clutch can quickly take over a desk or shelf. Whether your favorite dragon belongs on a bookshelf, in the garden, on the wall, or coming fresh out of a 3D printer, there's clearly no reason to outgrow a little fantasy. You'll find links to all 15 dragon finds in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks so much for watching Pamela's Best Finds. If you enjoyed these dragon finds, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out another video on the screen.